Okay, so the problem says water runs into a conical tank at the rate of 2 cubic feet per minute. The tank stands point down and has a height of 10 feet and a base radius of 5 feet. How fast is the water level rising when the water is 6 feet deep? This is a related rates problem, and from the information given, we can tell that this is a conical tank, obviously. The height of the tank is 10 feet, as given in the problem, and the base radius is 5 feet. So we drew our diagram and we labeled it out. So here we have our 5 feet and our 10 feet. And in the problem, they give us the rate that the volume is changing. So that is dV dt in the yellow, 2 cubic feet per minute. They give us our y, which is 6 feet. And we are finding dy dt, which is the rate that the water level is rising.
Okay, so first we're looking at similar triangles. So you're going to have to set up a proportion. So you're going to do the radius over the height. So the first one will be x over y equals 5 over 10. So if you look at the volume equation, since there is an x in the problem, you're going to want to solve for x so you can substitute it into the equation. So first we're going to multiply both sides by y. The y's will cancel, and you'll have x equals 5 over 10y, which then reduces down to 1/2 y. So after you get that, you're going to plug what you just solved for x into your equation. So you're going to have v equals 1/3 pi times 1/2 y squared y. And then when you solve that and distribute in the 2, you're going to end up with 1/12 pi y cubed. I got the 1/12 because when you distribute it in, you're going to get 1/4 y squared. So 1/3 times 1/4 gives you 1/12.
Okay, and from here what we're going to do is implicitly differentiate. So up here, if we take the derivative of v, that is dv dt, and then we use the power rule to bring down our 3, which gives us 3/12, which reduces to 1/4. So 1/4 pi y squared, because we subtract 1 from the power, and then dy dt, since you're taking the derivative of y. Okay, so from here we can plug in the unknown values. It was given to us in the problem that dv dt equals 2, and that y is 6. So we're going to plug in 2, and we're going to plug in 6. And we're solving for dy dt. So from here, we just have to simplify everything. 6 squared is 36 times 1/4 pi dy dt equals 2. 36 times 1/4 reduces to 9, so we have 9 pi dy dt equals 2. To solve for dy dt, we divide both sides by 9 pi, which gives us dy dt equals 2 over 9 pi. You can leave your answer as this, or you can type in your calculator and get a decimal. It is approximately 0.071, and our units is feet per minute.